add some fresh garlic, adding some egg. You put some fish cake in the pan. You put the fried egg in the pan in this bowl. Then I'm gonna add the boiled red meat. You're gonna put a little bit of black pepper. We're also gonna cook the carrot, a little bit of salt. Have to steam it a little bit. Add some water and cover it. I'm also gonna add the bell pepper, the carrots, toss it lightly. Alright guys, and we're gonna add a little bit more salt, and I'm gonna add the onions here also. Cook the onion just lightly, and we also put it in our big bowl. And lastly, we're gonna toss the mushroom. You can use any type of mushroom that you like. Our mushroom is already done. I just put a light oil in it and a little bit of salt. Then we're gonna put it in our bowl, and we're gonna mix all of it together. As you can see, everything is here. We gotta crumble some of the egg. So this is actually more veggie than noodles. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it, all of this well mixed it, and we adjust, ouch, hot, and we adjust the flavor, guys. It's pretty hot right now. You need to wait for it to cool off a little bit, and I'm gonna cut these noodles. So I can mix it nicely. By the way, there's a fresh garlic in this one, ground garlic. Okay guys, just toss it all together and adjust the flavor. I'm gonna add some seasoned soy sauce and a little bit of black pepper. That's maybe a teaspoon. Continue mixing. Okay guys, time for plating. This is gonna be my meriendas. Ooh, isn't it look delicious, healthy. There you go guys, can you see it? There you go guys, my noodles. And this is what you call Korean Chapchae. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Hope you like the recipe. This is your Misty Home Cooking. Hope you try it, it's delicious.